Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable the context menu animation on Telegram Web using your PC. This is part of a newer update, and it adds a smoother, more modern feel to your overall browsing experience on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your chat interface, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the main sidebar where you can access different parts of your Telegram settings. From here, scroll down a little until you find the settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new panel where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside the settings menu, look for a section labeled Animations and Performance. Click on that to open more options related to how Telegram behaves visually. Now, under this section, you'll find something called Interface Animations. This is where Telegram lets you control small visual effects that make interactions feel smoother and more responsive. Look through the options until you find Context Menu Animation. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. And that's it.